Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to move the search bar in the Safari browser. Since the update, we've got this cool feature. You might wait it to be at the bottom or at the top. You can do it any way you like. How do you do it? Very easy. To do this, we exit the browser and go into our iPhone settings. Here we go down a little bit lower and find the item Safari. We click on it. Now here we just go a little bit lower and find the item Tabs. By default, our bar will be at the bottom, but we can click Set it up. So we click here. Now we can go into the browser and check. You can see that our bar has already moved. So that's a great and easy way to do it. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. That was the Apple Fruit channel. Bye bye.